National People's Party NPP Manipur Unit President Kaishi has directed NPP's MLAs to abstain from attending any meeting conveyed by the ruling party after withdrawing support to the BJP-led NDA government. In an advisory note, Kaishi advised the MLAs to inform or seek permission from the state president or national president before making any official statement before the media, as NPP has officially withdrawn support to NBDN-led government. It also stated the failure to adhere the given guidelines may result in disciplinary action, as such actions could be perceived as undermining the party's position. It may be mentioned that a cabinet meeting called by the ruling party was convened on November 18th at Chief Minister's Secretariat. Despite the NPP's withdrawal from the state government, NPP's MLAs including Tamenglong MLA Zenghimlung Panmay, Kakching MLA Mayanglang Bamrameshwar, Moirang MLA Thongam Santi, and Oinam MLA Iring Bam Nalini attended Chief Minister and Biren's meeting held on November 18. However, State President and Tadubi MLA Kaishi, Ketrigao MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan, and Wangboy MLA Kurai Jamloken did not attend the meeting of the ruling party.